So in the past 6 months, it's been pretty quiet for Android Wear. LG dropped their smartwatches with Google last year, but other than that, nothing really new. Except for Fossil. And they might be the last place to grab a decently priced and good looking Android Wear smartwatch. Oh, and when I say Fossil, I mean Fossil Group, as in they own Skagen, Michael Kors, and a bunch of others watch companies that also make Android Wear smartwatches. But today, we're talking about the third generation Q Explorist. So you got a stainless steel casing, a high resolution AMOLED display, 22mm strap that's replaceable, running Android Wear 2.0, IP67 water resistant body, 4 gigs of storage, powered by Snapdragon Wear 2100 CPU. You got no LTE or heart rate monitor, but you do have activity/step counter on board to monitor your health somewhat. It performs well. I didn't come across any lags or stutters when trying to access apps or screens or just receiving notifications. Now, the only negative thing I have to say about the watch is that Fossil suggests a 24-hour battery life based on usage, and within several of my use cases, I got nowhere near that number. So from medium to heavy, I got only about 8 to 10 hours, and light usage, I got maybe 12 to 14. So it's not terrible, but it's a little misleading. So it's a really good looking smartwatch for anybody who wants to be a bit more fashionable or just wants something different out of Android Wear. Along with this, you got the third gen Q Venture and third gen Q Sport specifically for Fossil. And then Skagen and Michael Kors have their own variety lines of smartwatches. I actually like the watch. It's not on the cheap side, but it's not too expensive because they got a Tag Heuer watch that's like $1,000. This one is currently about like $250 on Amazon the last time I checked at the point of recording this. If you want more in depth about Android Wear 2.0, we have a separate video. I'll put a card for it over here. And thanks for watching. You could have been anywhere in the world, but you're here with us. See you on the next video. Peace.